isang kilalang artikulo mula sa kanilang Facebook page post ay binahagi nga ng PEP ang kanilang survey kung saan tinanong nila ang what is the most unforgettable concert you've ever been to. Ang survey na ito ng PEP ay nagkaroon ng 2.2 thousand reactions, 1,000 na comments at 575 shares. At ilan sa mga naging komento ay syempre, tinadtad ito ng komento na ang the best concert nga po na masasabi nila ay walang iba kundi ang Wakas at Simula concert. Narito po ang naging komento ng mga netizen or mga fans ng SB19. Anila, definitely even foreigners who watched that concert said it's the best concert they watched. They went to numerous concerts already in the past for famous artists international. A year ago, I thought it was the Simula at Wakas kick-off concert of SB19 at the PH Arena, but just last April 18, Wakas at Simula, the trilogy finale at the SMDC Festival grounds happened. SB19 outdid themselves, an event never before seen in our music industry. It was not just a concert, it was an experience shared with 100,000 attendees. I saw it, I was there. So, Simula at Wakas kick-off concert at PH Arena and was Wakas at Simula trilogy concert finale at SMDC Fest Ground. Best concert I experienced so far. Wakas at Simula is scared off to go since it outdoor, but it's all worth it. SB19 gave us all from their performances, stages, floats, fireworks, drone show, fan zone. They made impossible possible for live concerts. I will never get tired of saying SB19 is not just being hyped because of their fandom, it's because of their talent and heart. Simula at Wakas kick-off and Wakas at Simula finale, both concerts have massive productions and incredible creative directions, and SB19 is in a league of their own when it comes to live performances. Mula naman sa isa pang SB19 fan, aniya, I never really like going to concerts even if it is free because as trentahin, nakakapagod na talaga. But if it is SB19, ay nako, hindi pwede. Hindi makapunta, haha. So my most unforgettable concert would be Simula at Wakas and Wakas at Simula. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.